Today we are going to study the next problem. Here the parity check matrix is given and we want to decode the word relative to maximum likelihood decoding function. Okay, so we solve the problem here. We take example. Now see here example. Parity check matrix is given. Here we want to decode the word relative to a maximum likelihood decoding function. So see here parity check matrix is given. So that means an encoding function E from b square to b raised to 4 is defined here. Okay. Now here first of all we want to find the code words of an encoding function 2, 4. Okay. After that find the decoding table. Then after finding decoding table we want to find the coset leaders. Right. Now we after finding coset leaders we want to find the syndrome table. Now after finding syndrome table we decode the function, decode the word. Okay, so we start the solution here. So first given encoding function is EH from b raised to 2 to b raised to 4. Now here we want to find the code words. So first we find the code words. Okay. So here for that we consider x star h equals to 0. Now here x is equals to b1, b2, x1, x2 and x3 which belongs, b1, b2, x1, x2 which belongs to b raised to 4. So here b1, b2, x1, x2 star h 1, 1, 1, 0 then 1, 0, 0, 1 equals to 0. So here we get first row first column. So we get b1 plus b2 plus x1 equals to 0 and next b1 plus x2 equals to 0. So by using this equation we get x1 is equals to b1 plus b2 and x2 is equals to b1. So we get these two equations, x1 is equals to b1 plus b2 and x2 is equals to b1. Now we find the code words. So here b raised to 4, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Okay. So here EH of 0, 0. So here b1 is 0 and b2 is again 0. So we get 0, 0, 0, 0. 0 plus 0 is 0 and b1 is 0. Now EH of 0, 1 is b1 is 0, b2 is 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1 and b1 is 0. Now b3, not b3. Now EH of 1, 0. So EH of 1, 0 is 1, 0. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 0. And last one here, last one EH of 1, 1. So b1, 1, b2, 1. b1 plus b2, 1 plus 1, 0. And b2 is 1. So here we get the code word EH of 0, 0 to EH of 1, 1. Now we take the set of these code words. So now let n equals to 0, 0, 0, 0, then 0, 1, 1, 0, then 1, 0, 1, 0, and after that 1 1 0 1. So this is the set contains code word. Okay, now this set is a subgroup of b raised to 4, right? Now here we want to construct a decoding table. So for decoding table, we want to select y which does not belongs to n and whose weight is minimum. So now we take y belongs to b raised to 4 but y does not belongs to n and whose weight is minimum. So here we take y is equals to 1 0 0 0. So this is y. Now we find the left coset. Y ring sum n. So we get y ring sum n 1 0 0 0, then 1 1 1 0, then 0 0 1 0 and 0 1 0 1. So we get this coset. Now see here, b raised to 4 contains 2 raised to 4, that is 16 elements, right? So here we list only 8 elements. Now we want to list the remaining 8 elements. So we continue this process and we stop this process when we get the total 16 element. Okay, now this method is already we discussed in last lecture. Okay, so now here continuing in this way we get the decoding table, as so here first 0 0 0 0, then 0 1 1 0, 1 0 1 0, 1 1 0 1, then next one 1 0 0 0, 1 1 1 0, 0 0 1 0, then 0 1 0 1. Here we get 0 1 0 0. So this is the decoding table. Now here we all know that the first element of every row is a coset leader. So here 0 0 0 0, 1 0 0 0, 0 1 0 0 and 0 0 0 1. These 4 elements, these 4 words are the coset leaders. Okay, so here for this coset leader we want to construct a syndrome table. So here first we mention this coset leaders. The coset leaders are 0 0 0 0, 1 0 0 0, 0 1 0 0 and last 0 0 0. Now compute the syndromes of the coset leaders. Compute the syndromes of the coset leaders. Okay. Now here we want to construct a syndrome table. So see here we consider these coset leaders as X. Okay, so for constructing syndrome, here we take X is equals to first coset leader 0 0 0 0. Okay, now here X star H equals to 0 and here we take X equals to this. So 0 0 0 0 star H is 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 equals to first row, first column we get 0. Then first row, second column we get 0. So this is the syndrome for coset leader 0, 0, 0, 0. So in same way we construct the next syndrome. Okay. So therefore we get the table, syndromes and coset leader. Now if we take 1, 0, 0, 0, so we get, if we take the coset leader, here x is equals to 1, 0, 0, 0 and then do the calculation, so we get syndrome 1, 1. So here we get 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Now next coset leader is 0, 1, 0, 0. So for this we get the syndrome 1, 0 and last one is 0, 0, 0, 1. We get here 0, 1. So these are the syndromes of coset leader. Okay. Now here by using this syndrome we decode the given word. So first of all, here the received word xt is 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, now here we take xt star h. We want to find xt star h. So here 0, 1, 0, 1 star h 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so here we do the calculation. First row, first column 0, 1, 0, 0. So here we get 1. Now again 0, 0, 0, 1. We get 1. So here we get 1, 1. So write down syndrome is 1, 1. So for this syndrome, corresponding coset leader is 1, 0, 0, 0. So therefore we take epsilon equals to this coset leader 1, 0, 0, 0. Right? So here we find the ring sum of this xt with this epsilon. Okay. So now find the ring sum of xt and this epsilon. So here we get now xt ring sum epsilon equals to 0, 1, 0, 1 ring sum 1, 0, 0, 0. So here we get 1, 1, 0, 1. Right? So here xt ring sum epsilon is 1, 1, 0, 1. So now again by definition of an encoding function, EH of 1, 1 is 1, 1, 0, 1. Right? So by the definition of encoding function EH, we get EH of 1, 1 is equals to 1, 1, 0, 1. So therefore decode 0, 1, 0, 1 as 1, 1. So this is the required answer of this received word. So here to decode the function by using parity check matrix, here first of all we want to find the code words. Then second step, find decoding table. Third step, find syndrome table. And last one, find decode word of received word. Okay, all of you get it this. So today we stop here. Thank you.